You might see ads for Pyrus Store on social media, and at first glance, it looks like a place selling all kinds of interesting products. They promote items like the Pyrus PoolBliss, UltraExtract, Volt, GlowX, and even things like climbing gear or self-cleaning products. It seems like a store that has something for everyone. But once you start digging a little deeper, the picture isn't as perfect as it first appears. The first thing to notice is that this website was only registered on July 9, 2025. Now, being new doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does mean you should be careful. What's strange though is that a brand new website is already offering huge discounts of up to 50% off. That kind of pricing just doesn't make sense for a store that's only been around for a few weeks. Then there's the issue of their content. Many of the product images look like they've been copied from other websites, which raises doubts about whether they actually own or sell the products they're advertising. Their contact details are also suspicious. They list a phone number from India, but claim a physical address in the USA. That mismatch makes the information look fake and unreliable. Their legal pages don't provide full details either, leaving out important information about who runs the site and how it operates. And when you look at their reviews, the story gets even worse. On the website, they brag about a 4.8-star rating, and even claim their reviews are from Trustpilot. But if you check Trustpilot yourself, you'll find plenty of complaints from people saying the store stole their money, used fake reviews, and even misused Trustpilot's name without permission. And let's not forget, most real businesses today have some kind of social media presence, but Pyrus Store doesn't have any. That's unusual for an online store that claims to be so popular. So, is Pyrus Store legit or a scam? With all these red flags, the new registration, unrealistic discounts, copied images, fake contact info, misleading reviews, and no social media presence, it's much safer to think twice before buying. There's a high chance you could lose your money here, so it's best to stay away.